In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to use the right-click or control-click menu on instances to add or remove labels. So first, let me point out that this timeline that I've coded doesn't have any labels on it quite yet. I've only coded these instances. And also, let's imagine that I coded this timeline with a different code window than the one I have open right now. The other code window only had a code button called taxi and one called bus. So this code window actually has some other labels in it. So that's important to know because I haven't entered code mode with this particular code window quite yet. So just to demonstrate something, if I were to right-click, let's say on this instance right now, prior to having entered code mode, you'll notice that this window called a labels tree opens up. I'm not going to talk about this right now, but I just wanted you to be aware of what happens if you were to right-click on an instance without having gone into code mode with a code window that has labels in it. So I'll just close this labels tree for now. And now let me go into code mode. I won't even code anything. I'll just go into code mode and then back to edit mode. By doing that, by going into code mode on a code window that has labels, that now makes the labels from that code window available on this right-click menu. So if I right-click or control-click on an instance again, now you can see that first I'm presented with the groups for the given labels, and then here's the labels that actually belong to the date group, or for example, the direction from which the taxi entered, you can see here. So simply, if I want to add the direction from which it entered, I could hit east there. Let me go back to the same instance. You know, I can, now that I entered or added the label east, you can see that I have this little red marker and then the little blue diamond to let me know that label's actually on there. Similarly, if I go back and click on east again, now it'll just remove that instance, right? Or sorry, that label from that. But this is an easy way to add labels and remove labels from instances pretty quickly.